Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn some collective nouns. A blank of bees. Collective noun for bees is swarm. A blank of sheep. Collective noun for sheep is herd or flock. A strong blank of soldiers. Collective noun for soldiers is army or troop. A blank of keys. Collective noun for keys is bunch. A bunch of keys. The blank of wolves. Collective noun for wolves is pack. The pack of wolves. Blank of stairs. Collective noun for stairs is flight. Flight of stairs. A blank of thieves. Collective noun for thieves is gang. A gang of thieves. A blank of stars. Collective noun for stars is constellation. A constellation of stars. And blank of ants. Collective noun for ants is colony. A colony of ants. Blank of cheeks. Collective noun for cheeks is brood. Brood of cheeks. A blank of actors. A troupe of actors. Collective noun for actors is troupe. A blank of rubbish. Collective noun for rubbish is heap. A heap of rubbish. Hope you get it, guys. Thanks for watching.